Stripper! It's stripper pink.
Red light zone.
Red flag zone is more like it. Oh, I'm making such dirty jokes right now. And the guy has a bomb strapped to him. It's funny.
Yeah, I'm saying these guys.
What the fuck?
Why do these humans have bomb strapped to them?
No, and then one of them just starts like, yay, while they have a bomb strapped on them.
It's not like I was going to post this shit on YouTube.
Oh, I'm posting this shit on YouTube already. This is a... Oh my god. It's on YouTube. It looks like she's raping somebody there for a second, and I don't know why.
Well, he's getting raped.
Let's study together, is what she said, apparently.
Is that a man saying that to another man?
Yowie!
Suddenly, 7 fangirls get fanfiction from this
The random feeling.
Oh my god! Oh my god, one of them looks like...
Everything is crazy!
Oh, we are so titling this one. Homestuckians play, whatever this game is called.
Totally gonna masturbate.
Lollipop chainsaw.
Yeah. When Homestuckians play Lollipop Chainsaw.
Wait, what did he say?
I'm so gonna masturbate.
I'd be like, yo.
That's
I've been
how
like,
you leave.
fuck.
I think that was the one guy that was like, ah! Masculine. Oh my god, I miss this part.
Why? This song.
So what are you gonna do now, Juliet?
Your face.
She looks like she's about to get raped.
You're having too much fun with this, right?
If it bleeds, I can kill it.
Great philosophy.
That's, kind of morbid, especially for a girl of her
I
type.
need to find Morikawa-sensei. He'll know what to do.
Who's that?
Morikawa-sensei. He's my sensei.
A sensei? Look like a teacher?
I'm pretty sure sensei is the most known Japanese word.
Well, I
Osekai, watashi mo nigo o hanashimasu.
can't.
She's gone, weeaboo.
Just know that one word.
He's such a weird.
Wait, what'd she say? What'd she say?
Things about
Like,
you.
we
Speaking
sugoi.
of Asian, yeah, she's like, she
Well-
went Dirk.
And you're like runway walking to the song there for a second.
She can like walk, she walks so weird. Like, who walks like
I
that?
don't know why, but her legs, like when she walks like that, reminds me of the character from Journey.
Yeah, like, what the fuck? How do you walk like that, yo? It's the easiest thing to cut. Why is it so long?
Coins everywhere.
There's something else written. It says zombie basketball. Time limit 3 minutes. You lose and plan.
Really, Nick? I didn't know I could read.
Oh, I couldn't read. Thank you.
The very best kind too.
What'd she just say?
The very miskind.
Here's Julie!
Game's already started.
Zombie basketball. Time you're killing up zombies. How many points can you rack up?
Some announcer bro.
It seems like a
It's bro. Oh my god.
Oh my god, you still sound like bro.
Oh my god, no. No, I love bro.
Actually, I just made that as a joke when he said bro, but okay.
Time to get to work.
This song.
The music in this game is just amazing.
Oh my god, is there Teresa here?
Damn it, there's only men here.
So it's better if they.
No,
Oh my
that's
God.
long enough. Let's just make them all.
Oh, John!
John!
Oh my god. No, they're all John.
Not that athletic, they're Jake.
Yes, that's what I was actually just thinking. They're not John, they're Jake. They do. Even if they were drawn, they would need glasses still. It could be Solix. Oh, just kidding, no. No.
See, at first I did think that they were Solix, but then I was like, no, Solix don't play sports.
Yeah, he sucks at sports. Computers are his main. Oh my god, there are cheerleaders in the background. Oh my god, Tristan!
Wait till you see how the cheerleaders fight. Oh my Jesus.
When I fight using their gigantic, gravity-defying breasts. No, they're weightless! They're top rope cheerleaders!
Oh my god,
That was better than the crawler!
Pretty sure it was. That was amazing. Oh. Someone just.
Wow, what a turnaround. The zombies are getting slaughtered.
By
Incredible
1
game,
point.
Juliet.
No.
To see you in action again.
But do you get it? The zombies are being slaughtered. Why did I sound like a grand high boob for a second? I did. And I said slaughtered. Shut up. Hello, bitch.
Mommy!
Mommy. Corn.
We need to get out of here.
Gives it off.
Oh my god, yes. I didn't hear you, sir. I'm going shopping.
It's just like, no, fuck this.
Time to shop.
Oh my god, there's America here.
I found
The
something.
world's largest hamburger, too. What the fuck? No one needs 7 patties.
Oh my god!
America built it, probably.
Dude, look, I am almost there to get this.
No!
No! Oh
seashells.
god, no!
You're using
No!
the seashells of my home.
That's right.
Testicles.
That's right, because you inherited. Fuck. This is amazing.
They should make one of her with dolphins for boobs.
Oh shit, I'm getting money galore, dude.
Kick ass.
I'm making this happen.
We're doing this, man.
Darn
We're
it!
doing this.
No!
Aww.
You killed the Terezi!
Oh, that upset
Well, that was simple.
Oh, that was simple. Very simple.
Ew, someone on butt. That's it.
Bad.
Before he blows up.
I seriously heard somebody just say, hey, bitch.
Someone called you a bitch and you weren't even killing them.
No, I heard them say, hey, bitch.
Your goal.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and you're killing zombies. Oh my god!
There's too much pot in here.
This day is completely unexpected.
No.
No duh, douchebag. You okay there? Go drop your phone.
Oh god, he's okay. Okay. Oh hey, look at his head.
I think he just randomly jumped in too. Fuck this. Jump into the window. Whee!
You know his head looks so teeny when she puts it on the bodies, but then when you're walking it looks normal.
9, 10, 11.
It gets on the body.
That gets out of body. Did like his body just like die as he got
Like
blown
how it just
up?
falls from the ground and connects right back to her hip.
Pussy. What the fuck? And the guy. Oh my god, is that a girl or a guy?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure
Stephanie
that's.
is such a woman's name.
No, but I'm pretty sure that's a guy and his name is Stephanie.
It's actually Stefani.
No, I hate you more than Carrot Top.
No, it's a girl. Oh my god, it's a policewoman Terezi. It's Terezi, for God's sake.
Everyone in this fucking game is Terezi, except for the ones with blue hats who are Nepeta. Or the ones we chop the legs off of who are Tavros.
Davros, why you
We need
eat
to find
us?
someone to be everyone.
What if actually one of the head zombies' names was either Oh my god, Nepeta! There's two Nepetas! Oh my god, that was a first.
Just beat up Terezi.
I'm so proud of myself for doing that.
Terezi's great.
Oh. We have a Terezi, but she's not with us at the moment.
Have a Terezi?
Yes, we do.
Who? Oops, a Terezi?
Why?
Yes!
I thought she wasn't
Oh my
already.
God,
She is, but she
Terezi
changed.
and
Oh.
Why are they being so slow though?
There's both of them, we can't kill them.
Oh my god, like rape!
Guys, like, shit might be you.
Rape!
You look like Carcat, I want you.
Carkity!
Cargles. Oh great, it's she's the
don't
one
hate
who's
me.
still alive.
Please don't hit
We didn't even have any fun moments with Terezi. What the fuck?
Somebody just like, wait! Oh, fuck.
Well, that's fun.
Hey, look, it's Jay! Oh my god, it's Jake! Because it said Jay.
Not a close enough similarity. Let's make a Jane just to be a douchebag.
There's a Jane right there!
Opening and closing the door, dude.
There should be a girl with super short black hair, because I want a Jane in this. Why can't there be any blonde women? Why are you the only blonde girl in this damn game?
Well, technically she's blue right now.
Well, yeah, but
I get the thing in like 2 more.
Oh god, not the
God, once you
seashells.
walk around with the seashell broad, I'm calling you scary. Just to discourage you.
Did you hear a scream?
Yes.
They found a new virus.
The door. It's irritating.
Pretty sure you just like hit him in the crotch.
Yes.
I didn't know she knew this was good, but
What? What?
I don't think he's complaining.
now it has a loading screen. Just give me the loading screen.
They're lollipops though, aren't
Just
they?
play our maracas for fun.
Lolly lollipop. Ba-dum bum bum.
Tell me why.
Oh, wait, hold on. Ready?
Oh
Ready?
god.
Oh god, no!
Shopping.
She is 83! She can still. Oh fuck. Lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop. Pop, oh, no!
I will.
Oh god.
This extremely rare item doesn't leave much to the imagination.
Oh my god!
You're now gonna go Aridin. You just went full Aridin. Now we're going full Aridin.
I'm happy now.
Killing zombies gives me total wood.
That sounded like Terezi's voice. It had that raspiness.
I believe I speak for all of us when I say I have
the weirdest boner.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we get to meet Morikawa Sensei. There he is. He's such a bitch.
Jump! Jump! Jump!
Jump! Jump!
Juliet.
Oh my god!
He's so old, but he's wearing the backwards cap like he wants to be a pimp.
Because technically he is a pimp.
Fish! Aridin!
I feel at home here.
Wait, Japanese karate.
Sushi master!
Kama Sutra!